Presented by Caltech.
Ellen Williams is the director of ARPA-E, the Advanced Research Projects Agency Energy at the U.S. Department of Energy. She is the rare leader who has fashioned directions in academia, industry, and government. Dr. Williams earned a bachelor's degree in chemistry from Michigan State University and completed her PhD in chemistry at Caltech, focusing on the fields of surface chemistry and physics. Soon after, she became a professor at the University of Maryland, where she conducted cutting-edge research in the fields of electromigration, nanomaterials, and nanoelectronics. In 1996, forgive me, Ellen, she founded the Materials Research Science and Engineering Center at the University of Maryland and served as its director through 2009. In 2010, she took a leave of absence from the university, where she is now a distinguished university professor, to serve as the chief scientist at BP. There, she helped determine how developments in science and technology could contribute to sustainable, secure, and environmentally responsible energy. In April of 2014, President Obama nominated Dr. Williams to serve as the second director of ARPA-E, where she guides investments in transformative approaches to energy technologies. As Dr. Williams contextualizes the challenge, energy is the fundamental issue when thinking about the future of civilization. I believe that we have the technical potential to drive a transformation to a renewable energy-based society, but there are barriers to implementing them. Scientists must help policymakers understand what the options are and help to make them feasible. We honor Dr. Ellen Williams for her sustained record of innovation and achievement as a scientist, as an industrial leader, and as a public servant.
Well, thank you so much. I am so honored and so humbled to be here and to receive this award with such other august awardees. As I was walking over here from the Athenaeum this morning in the beautiful sunshine, I realized that my memories of my 5 years at Caltech were really all about sunshine. Not just the physical sunshine of this wonderful location, but also the sunshine of the intellectual environment, of being with other people who are excited and energized by innovation and discovery, and also the sunshine of meeting my life partner and marrying him, Neil, as you met earlier. So the Caltech graduate experience shaped my life, as I think it does all students who come here. Caltech has the amazing focus on constantly identifying the emerging new important areas of science and technology. In my case, I was able to work on a new area in which new discoveries were allowing us to probe and understand the chemistry and the physics of the surfaces of solid materials, something that had never been possible before. So I left Caltech almost with the expectation that it was my birthright to continue looking at things that were innovative and exciting and probing new and amazing ideas. So I was fortunate as I started my research career to engage with a new discovery, a technique called scanning tunneling microscopy, that let us look at the surfaces of materials down to the positions of the individual atoms. That completely changed how we could think about, conceptualize, and understand what happens in the way that materials are formed and chemical reactions take place. So I had an amazing career where every experiment, every new observation told us something new and confirmed old ideas in science and technology that we had never been able to probe and understand before in that way. After many years of an exciting life of basic research, the pleasures of teaching at University of Maryland, I made a decision to leave academics and leave fundamental research and move into the areas of energy, an area that is going to shape the future of civilization as we deal with the issues of how we produce energy and how we use energy and what those impacts are on our environment and our future. So I moved to industry, as you heard, and then I have now moved to the Advanced Research Projects Agency for Energy, which is the best job that I've ever had in my life. It is such an amazing opportunity to be able to work with young entrepreneurs and innovators and help them move their technologies forward to address the challenges that we face in our society. So as a young graduate student, I could never have imagined the trajectory of my life, but I can say that Caltech prepared me, and I think prepares every student that is here by putting its imprint on me, by giving me the sense that excitement, innovation, and the constant drive for excellence was natural and the way that I wanted to drive my life. So I'd just like to thank you again for this honor and say how pleased and humbled I am to have received this award.